Hello friends, how are you all? My name is Masih Khan. As you know, we always comes to show you the reality and the real product. And today I'm gonna show you very beautiful piece of Star Enterprises furniture, which is the mirror frame, which is the round mirror frame in the 5 feet round and made in the sheesham wood and matte finish walnut color. This is totally customizable. Size is also customizable. 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, choice is yours. And this is very beautiful, made by our experienced artisan. And you can see the density of work and minimalistic carving and very heavy unit made by Star Enterprises. Last time I uploaded 6 feet round mirror frame. The work was 24 inch, and in this frame work is the 12-inch with her work. And we took 45 days total manufacturing time, 15 days polishing, 30 days manufacturing time, raw structure. And this is very beautiful piece. If you are looking for this kind of high quality product, then you have to go through number already mentioned. We can provide you the delivery all over India and the abroad also. We have lots of delivery partners available. So आपको कहीं जाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, हमसे कांटेक्ट करना है ऊपर लिखे नंबरों पर, हम आपको बनाकर देंगे। इस तरह के रॉयल प्रोडक्ट हमारा तो काम ही है हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बनाना और आप लोगों को दिखाना और आप लोगों को देना। और इसीलिए मैं आता हूँ यूट्यूब पर। बहुत सी वीडियो मैं अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, बहुत सी आनी बाकी हैं। बने रहिए स्टार एंटरप्राइज फर्नीचर में। अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपनों का ध्यान रखिए। मैं फिर मिलूंगा एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, धन्यवाद, टेक केयर।